I will always mean I when my rap sheet clean, I mean I have no file, me still get a bag of beaten. I have hear people on here do the worst. Me hear people over here chatting people say, oh, them will buy any amount of analyze people. And if I meet it say it, if I meet it say it, Monday start talk to no, me that they are prison. I some know over here corrupt and stay. So all of who I call police and I call CPS for me, them know hear all of that. You know hear all of that. $95% of them over here where bring down people, they feel them character, talk and a man of thing about evil, them can be sued and put on a cease and desist. Only not see that to call the police. But make a me Rosealee say it. Burden come down for my shoulder if I walk with the cross in months and years. And I've hear a lot of people send threats and here to people. Talk all man of evil, style them kids. When me over here and hear Shibada say, oh, Shanta, my matey, come Jake's a fucker. Me no hear on call, no police, no nothing. But me say it. Me under long investigation. Me say it. Me under long investigation. Me under spectator watch. All type of story. All type of story. And us me, I definitely get a fight. Definitely. That has nothing to do with behavior. For all who like to sit and type and chat because of enough. It has nothing to do with behavior. And me, definitely, I get a fight. But they pioneer here, people class people and tell them how them pitney this, how them pitney suck this, how who not this, and uno no call, not even God uno no call. But make a me say it. A peer problem. Uno call CPS, OSIF, JD, the star, the cleaner, the observer. Me come like say me no know. Me don't really know. Fuck y'all talking about. All the time like I'm crazy or I'm stupid. What I'm saying is, when other people come on this platform and say what they have to say what they want to say about people, it slide underneath the rug. Whenever I do it, uno call the whole world for me. Uno keep on over here and putting the blame and saying, oh, Akeem mash up Rosealee life. What? Oh, Akeem mash up my life. Me did that with a man who beat me for years. Me have proof for my body. Me have them see 1 year, 1 year. See 1 year. Wait there. See 1 year. See 1 year. See 1 year. See 1 year. Me have multiple stars for me. Everybody in a Silver God know the story. Me don't know how them out switch now. How did he mash up my home? My home was broken for a longer time. For a taller time. I make me escape it. I uno hours I call CPS for me and tell bag of life. It's more than one report to make. It's uno on social media. Always a text call CPS. Uno on social media when I like me. Make me pity them get tech for me. Uno. Cause uno I call the people. Them and I make multi-report. Uno. You know how long a man like me? You know how long a man tell a big stinking girl go suck your mother? You know how long a man grab me? You know how long a man make me feel worthless or worse than my blood clot self? The guy opened my eye and wise me up. to walk away from someone that is hurting me. Yeah. Because if I never meet him, me that's still there, so. You know that I'm chopped with Jakes, and I tell myself so I not leave him, and I tell myself this, and I tell myself that, and I'm going to hold for disrespect, and I'm a grind that smarty, and I'm a grind this so, and I'm take my money, I have me a depression, I have me a beat, I have me a war, I have me a fight. Every minute. I have me a use every minute. I have to find food. I have to find food. I have to find clothes. I have to find lunch money. I have to try and transport. I have to find every mama blood clot. Every day, more heavy, no more light. So where did this man break my home? Me never have a home. A long time, I still gonna calculate it in my mind how to left Jakes. Oh, he mash up my home. I only call CPS. Everything will come, everything will do on TikTok, gonna screen record it and send it to the people them. I want it not go so I mean nothing. It's a multiple report. And in a certain organization, a friend know a friend. So a friend will tell a friend to shoot a friend and press it down on her. Now release her. Just like the other day. When my mom came in here and I come attack me, see me here. Cause you come with money, you say, see me here. That means you come in an argument with me. Unu call police. The combination of police. Unu call the combination of police. I unu call them. Unu call the combination of police. It's unu call them. I unu make the report. Nobody but unu. Cause unu try to break me. So unu say, what did he do? Nothing. Unu break me. Unu. Cause unu call police. Pa me what day ya? Unu call CPS. Unu been a text CPS. People, the people them been a send a report to CPS before me even meet Akeem. And when you're sending a letter to CPS and a government and Pitney, it's a matter of time. They would have come tell them for me. It's a matter of time. It's only be a matter of time. They would have in that predicament here, it's only for a matter of time. When you hear me a fuck pan life, me a cuss pan life to get give all type of story. It's called a multiple report. I know one time I don't tell the people them. And before me meet Akeem, I text the people them. Before me meet him, I text the people them. The people them come here already. Must about 3 times they come on me yard already. 3 times them come on the house already. Before them go. And who no pan ya? I text the people them. And it's very odd and disgusting. And calm down the doorway. Because I've come on social media and see people do a lot of things on here. And it get away. Them send threat. Them tell lie. Them spread rumor. I don't know. Them just do it every day like it's fun. I don't not drag them up. But I mean, I don't draw up. And I bury. Me can't say nothing. Me have to mindful what me say. And it's not no lie. And a lie. Oh, the boy mash up our whole soul. Me have a whole soul. Eh? Me never have no whole soul. How many sleepless nights me have there so with that man? The man beat me daily. The man beat me daily. Every minute we in an argument. Slam me head on the wall. The man abused me physically and mentally. You think him nice? What you think when me left me no look back? You know, so the other night, me out a door. I'm chat with my man, I talk. I don't know, for some reason, I get emotional. Can I say to myself, say, In spite of all that, look how me did the fear and treat you good. And me say you turn a dagger to my soul and it break me so much. Cause me I say, anybody else in the world could have turned a dagger to my soul, but you. Cause me have you up for you now have shit. I'm a work at home, I'm a hustler and we together. And you just make money, make it just turn a dust of this vampire upon me. And tears come in my eye. Good while now about, but in the late part of October. But in the late part of October. Hear him to me now, no? Like him take me a blood clot mascot. Come on, follow you go over now. Come here crying up, come here and say, some people just really fucked up him. Just fuck up in a, I don't say have some fucked up people in the world. Come on, follow you go over now. Say, my man, follow me go over for her. I say, I'm good. He say, no, I'm follow you go over. I'm follow you go over, man. Because I get very emotional. I say, me good. I say, go on over. Me walk go over. So the man go over, he tell me about 10 minutes before I'm going, me? Done with you. Because I don't want you to reach back in here. When you look, 1 minute turning at 5, 5 minutes turning at 10, you lie down look like that, you drop asleep. Then tomorrow, you change one weekend, you start come tomorrow. When you look, I go back right back where me I come from. So I say, yo, me done tell myself one thing already. Me nah use you. I really want to talk to you because we have kids together. And that me I run from too. Yeah. Because what? I'm a Capricorn. Them want always right. And when they don't agree with them want always right. And when they don't agree with them is a problem. And him don't take rejection easily. Them want always right and them cannot take rejection. They cannot reject him. But they already something wrong with the Wi-Fi, I'm begging fix it. And I am so to me say, you know, change your name on TikTok. I say my name on TikTok now none for do you. I know that you come about. I beg you look on the Wi-Fi for me. Go look on a Charlie never see her mother just run me or something for come out. And she reach on the station. She said she not coming. Go on to her. Go and find your mom. I can't take the whole on a burden. Can't take up on a burden. Yeah, when I finish a long time, I don't want to live. Right now, I'm free like a bird in the sky. Right now, I'm free like a bird in the sky. And I have a better, more mindset. And until you see me move around all of the people, them. Like all my mama, I just cut them from the neck and then just can't deal with me. Not even how they. Mm-hmm. Yeah, Toto. Before you worry about your pinning them come back in the mother present, you worry about pajama and man. No pajama. I'm not gonna really dwell upon it for the chat him out them. GX can get the pin from the government. Him is a sperm donor. You're not present in nothing. And if him think him bad, finish your house and take them and see how you get locked up. Cause them not in a your custody, in a your care, them in a somebody else one was signed to it. So if you think you're bad and the chat is nyam fuck girl them over here, well I come out to come lip. Because them hear one story, them a look a come back. Well I come out to come chat. Just if you think you bad. Go in the yellow yard, finish your house, man, and go in the yellow yard. I say, come round there, you see which part of prison you belong. Calling us like us love chat. When I take out my mouth, don't tell me to leave nothing. I take out my mouth. The children is not in my custody now yours. Oh, you forget them. You can't get them. Them is not in your custody in our minds. If you think you bad, go take them now for me now, please. Go and take them. Like how you say, me and some look on yam fuck girl over here. Oh, the kids them in a Jake's custody. Go and take them. Like how them in a year one. Take them now. The same thing me get to get them too. You have to call and ask if we can. If it's not granted, we can't get it. You don't tell the people them that. It's barely you walk and tell, you know. So you know you're an original storyteller. That's all some of them do. Walk and tell beer like them a storyteller. Me sell story, you know. This is two different from selling a story than telling a story. Because if you want to them go to Egypt, you have to call and ask permission too. And if it's a no, it's a no. Because they're not in your custody either, because you're cross. If you were present at a court hearing and I couldn't get them, you are a father, you would have to get them. If you were present at a court hearing, who go to school no law? If you were present at a court hearing, the people would have been automatically in your custody. Cause me them have a problem with not you, but you don't care and you're croft and you just want to put image up for money, you sell all your soul. You didn't show up at even one court hearing. You cannot get them either. Never. You'd have to lie up and fight it for your parental rights. So don't come over here and talk shit and be like, yeah, but you teeth them one brush. Don't come over here and talk shit for coins and spread lie and rumors. You can't get them either. You are never at a court hearing. You never know how it go. I ask somebody to tell you something. And if you were a dad, as you are portraying on the net, you'd have been at every court hearing to represent your kids. Is a fucking sperm donor. That me hate to find a life. If me hate you less, this that added me hate you more. He's a cross. 100% cross. We have seen this a long time. We have seen this thing in a dialogue. Where if the mom is mentally unstable, the child would automatically go to the father. It's two parent make a child, a mom and a dad. And if the mom is unstable, the court hearing will go to the father. You are never present. Your name, only your last name, Rigabel, if I say your real name. You're present, not accurate, you never did none at all. You are non-existent. I can't have the kids and you can't have them either. So when you come on social media and spread the rumors and the lie and have them in a backdrop, all you do I expose them to the world. So when people can't hold me and you, them hold them. That is what you're doing. That is exactly what you are doing. Cause you alone me say put your opinion on social media. I forgot to say Jamaica you live in a civilized time now. That's all you do. Put them life in a danger. That's all you are doing. That's all you're doing. I have never posted my kids on social media. You make them know how them actually look. Who don't know them, don't know them. And you make them, you have the picture all bout. All bout. That's what you do. Exploit your kids for money. You should have got prison feet. Cause that you do. And tell pure lie. Why when Cuff attack when I always believe the Cuff them? If you the interested in their kids, I would have told we a fight for them. Everything take a pro, I would have told we a fight for them. You would have lied that you would have lied up and me would have lied. Both of us are making money. Get what I'm saying? If you are interested in your kids, both of us would lie up. The both of with their court I fight the case with two liars. You have one and me have one. So when my liar asks if it can be granted and she hear no, fear liar asks like it can be granted for the mom. Can it be granted for the dad? Okay, let's just see what is about it. You don't care, you don't want to hear something for joy. Nah, pajama with a teeth them one brush. Nah, pajama. For 19, all and all Kogan. And him have 5 subjects. Him is a fool and a cough. Him only care about the next drink and the next backers. And the next deep throat. What them do with money? You can't pay 150,000 to get a liar. You know you pity them name, you go about the process. Go behind my back. Let me say you fight so I can give you flowers. You not fight, you fool, you idiot, you cough. I mean, if you ever say that, make me say you genuinely care about the kids and not about a girl. If I wanted to steal cockroach girl, them, you'll find them for each up a night time with. All I care about is the next buckler and the next backers. That's all you care about. And if me have a man or not. They don't care about you pity them. That is, we're not going to quote us, judge and jury don't look at all that. You're not deceased. You're alive and well. We feel like everybody look on that. Warm to them father. Warm to him. In my mama the same thing. Cause so when him brother did their court out in Portland, have one case, his mama never gonna even one time. They only care about this. I want spliff and the next backers. I'm not care when me talk. Cause that's the truth. Life a beat me and people bad mind men I try to tear me down. Put your effort. So me can step out of my closet and give you your flowers. Cause when flowers supposed to be given, me I give it. Period. You're not more than a croft. A sperm's donor. You never present a nothing. You want to come exploit the kids them and beg. And tell me I fix this, and me I gotta do this, and me I gotta do this, and me I gotta do that. That's all you do. And that's why me forever hate Vanny. No, I try me hate them. Some of them when I'm around me hate them. That's why me forever hate them. Them now city. All of them are chat. I want to like somebody tell a man the truth. All of them hate them. Him walk and look people not like me if you back him. Me walk and look the truth. Say Vanny that tell Jakes the truth or Sassy that tell the truth or the rest of them that tell him the truth. Me that overlook all out the hatred of me after them. Cause nobody can control anybody when the topic act. Me don't mind that. Tell him the truth. Go represent your pitney. That's when she and Fear Bill father they are court out for ice. He said if him not automatically come, him can't get ice. No time at all. Go and represent your kids. Find the court the Duke Street down a town. Oh. You over here egg and blood clap boy make him feel like say him a things. How the Jew to him for do as a father him not do it. They must have a good name and money. Must have a good name and money. Go represent your pitney them. When I have a case before the court, I have been through courthouse. I'm not talking about picnic case. Whenever a case before the court, the judge look on the conflict many different ways. What could have caused it? If I have a fight, what could have caused a fight? You and the person related, them looking at everything and scrutinize everything. Who's the aggressor in the case? Because sometimes the person will get hurt, can get fucked at them are the aggressor, and you walk with scotch free. I'm before the court with my kids, and you don't represent them none of the time. You don't gonna make it harder for me. What you there? On social media, laba laba. Like some gal. For coins. And like your wedding, you don't care. When since you kept them, I'm gonna have a video it. I give my kids money every day. I don't need a bitch on social media to approve that. Cause when some little thinking bug girl over here with a pussy think like nightmare jump out of your sleep. I when some little thinking front girl over here with them pussy think like nightmare and make a jump out of your sleep. No care what the circumstances, maybe me have a blood clot for money for mind them. Some don't know what someone not chat about. We not talk about the least at the apostle. Me still have to mind them anyway them day in the world. A government so for mind them till them at 21. So I have a long period for blood clot go. So I don't know what you guys are saying or what you guys think. Like it's all over for me. Me not even start yet. Cause me have lunch money for still pay. Food for still fine. Comfort of gadgets for still buy. Clothes for still buy. I just them living arrangement is not with me now. Me still have to take up my motherly duty same way. Me can't pause it. Because through them in my custody. Me have to push out me 220% said blood clot way. So I don't know what is wrong with you bitches in the comment section. Like it just stop here for me because I'm crying. It not stop here so. And next week at Christmas. Me have to open, me have to January come home to an account for me two youth them and two account. It doesn't stop here. Me have college fund for put on. And I'm a business one it evident. We feel like it stop us. I'm for still mind them. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner, me have to fine. Me have to find it said we. Oh. So I don't want to feel like. I don't want to feel like. The fucking bitches are just fucking crazy. I don't know what you all fucking thinks. Like something is wrong with you. I have to do up to my duty as a mother. That doesn't stop nothing. If I mind them said way. Birthday, school, January man in a school, I have to find lunch money. For them go back at school and plus to give them pocket money because I have girl pitney and boy pitney and girl. I'm gonna want them lead astray. Me still have to go up to my duty. So all I want to know, and make sure she don't get by the kids. Never mind them said blood clot weird. Never mind them. Till them at 21. Well, not even till them at 21. Till death do us part. Cut my minds. You don't know what I feel like. Never mind them said way. It doesn't stop nothing. I have to do what I have to do. Of course. I asked my son what he wants for Christmas. Him say want PS5 at 700 feet. I told 100,000 like that. I bought it already. I make them gadget up. I ask myself, say, like how them I gotta do with them order some clothes by the time I collect them the clothes, I gotta re-order some more clothes. So them hours have clothes. If the girl want to take them out on a Sunday, them have clothes and boot can wear. Them might not run me, but if I push up if I do it, same way, no cut, no change, nothing. I mean, I have the burden for my opinion, because them, they start generate this. I don't want the circumstances, I don't tell the lie. If I sick me more and more, but I still have to do my womanly duties. Excuse me? Me not some careless girl do here before Pitney. I mean, my pity them, you know. All I want to go call CPS and tell them, I mean, my neck and a little bit till Shanta 10 April and Barbara 7 Monday. Sorry, 8 Monday. I mean, mind them. All I want to go tell CPS and me mind them from them born till now. Me mind them from them born till now. Barbara born with reflux stomach. Me change him feeding regularly. Sometimes as him drink it, him vomit up. Me move from the infant formula to Similac. All type of Similac him drink. Spit up. Him drink one of them spit up. Him drink one next one of them. I don't remember what name. The whole, but just change him feeding regularly. I'm for buy Pampers and clothes and boat. All my mama when me eat like pies know the real truth. And me take care of my youth them. It's like you see him father. It's like you see them father donkey with all court case. I saw him donkey. If you not ask him to do things him no want do it. I me take care of my people them. I me go work in a sun, race, snow, shatter bus, anything for my youth them. Me and God. I walk and beg and borrow and trust. Me. So I don't know what you think about me on social media, but it's not that it. So I make that the fool will just start a wall. One look at change. In a September, trickle no. Remember one time I work at one collection agency. You the post wall to me, no? September man in a school. Them tell me I have pay enemy upon my stretch, because me and girl war, I have pay enemy upon my stretch, and them are my enemy. Now go on for me, my enemy. I pay enemy upon my stretch. Because girl go come out September morning, come look if a pitney I go to school, and I say, you can't make a girl know say my pitney I go to school because you work, you make me know say, you might work, you know. And you make me know say, make them sit out January. I'm saying that a blood clot. No, sorry. I'm not telling a lie. In my work and them say make them sit out the first week in a September. I'm saying not a blood clot. That's what my friend, that's why Virgo, never always love Virgo. Remember the night, I sit up on Instagram, I beg 20 and 10 till there's no tomorrow. I beg 20 and 10, I lie up on my floor and I'm house out this so. And the big pussy boy lie down and start sleep on him back like he never care in the world. I'm say, oh, make them sit out the first week of school. I'm say not under my jurisdiction. I lie down on my belly. I'm a beg 10 and 20 till look bad. I'm a hustle 320 US dollar. I'm gonna get 40 something thousand. I never forget the blood clot morning. As the money started, I go so young. The first thing first, I stop and do cause hunger that kill me. For Instagram, I beg the money. For my belly. Blood of my belly in my house, belly it and beg it. $300. The first thing first, I do. Cause I say bad to bad. I'm up all night, I'm tired and weary, I'm hungry. I'm gonna KFC and buy something. As I come out of KFC, I walk go straight down a mall, down on the Scotia Bank. So I'm tired. I drop asleep in the bank. And the security come with me. I said, what you in here to do? I said, I'm in here to pay this voucher. I pay Barbara school fee because them tell Barbara got elite. I pay Barbara school fee. And when I don't pay Barbara school fee, I come back up in a town. I hold them two cheap shoes in a one store and buy some book and some ray and some tea and some blade and 2 bags. When I come back at my yard, I go so boop. Go over the woman go pay for the uniform because I have some uniform I didn't make, I never did pay for. I just pay for them and them get. If I even one uniform, because one uniform I could make at the time. So one uniform I make one for one and one for one. I say me take terms and wash it. But September morning them off go school. And them tell them I have young belly in me. So make them trick on you. Them tell them I have young blood clot belly me I breed. Them time they run up and down, me have young belly in me. Me have a young belly I walk with. Me have a young belly I walk with. That's the first young belly me catch. When I'm pregnant after Barbara, me have a young belly I walk with. Me almost 1 month pregnant. Them after go school September morning. To all the shoes cheap it strip. And people, me have a friend that give me one shoes. One look at class looking shoes, it can wear unisex. Man, boy carry it and girl carry it. And my friend I'm giving for me that. I say, give me come I want it. Me have another friend give me one bag for Barbara. I say, give me come I want it. I mean, make sure them go to school. It's when them do get pay. The other week, the man give me $15,000. Or $17,000. The belly because I show with it. I mean, now blood clot have two, me have to suffer with and try and make end meet and come up with one more. So I come to a conclusion. Me that breed up my attitude. So that the stinking man they were talking about way. Me just go down with the belly. Oh, so when they can't stay there, come and chat. Half on the mouth. Oh, that's why sometimes me just grieve my spirit kind of just love the bag of chatting. Oh. I have to mind them. They just chat. The first time Shanta enter basic school and me start our basic school, the two of them. I want some of the jakes that ever used to try pay them school fee. Try pay Shanta school fee for every 3 months of them granny. When it was 5,000 of elite. She paid 3 times. And her friend she never sent more than $50. Come pay it. Then have 5,000 for school fee. Every 3 months. Oh. I don't know what the fuck someone to think about when I feel like. Oh, me always all out, him not all out, so. And that's my problem. You all out for some foolishness. You all out for say, you all out. If them a class me, you all out for it. If a boy no want me, you all out for that. There are certain things you all out for, but when you come out to your pin them, you stick 20% backward. When him over here put on him facade, I laugh off of you. Because if you're minding your kids, why am I still have to spend? You know mind I pity them? I regularly tell them I don't have it and you drunk every day. That's why I can't like Vanny them. I regularly tell them don't have it. When I come out to lunch, when I say, what am to your father? Them say, I don't have the money. I say, you know the money, are you rank? How much kindness is up on the board? That's why I can't like Vanny them. That's the main reason I can't like her. You don't sit down your friend and you tell a friend, go and be a father. Because when he do these things, I want to get comfortable, him now go stop. Come mind your pitney youth. Because see me have one jackass one and I want mind female one too. I believe in a mind your pitney. Fuck off with the mama mind your pitney. Fuck off with me a shit house. Me can't do any blood clotting, them a pitney. Things where you never get in life, make them get it. Experience where you never have, make them have it. Yeah, all money now, make them used to things. Not too good for you, give them. All of my thing when me do on social media. Cause them call on the enablers. I want him in on it, I want him in on and I go put up with them in my opinion them. One thing, all them call on the NA and Rosealee are enablers them. Alright, okay, fine. We get the memento, but I one thing me know any type of fuck me do. Me know one thing when I put up. If me come and now mind my youth, them I say big careless gal or mind your youth. Them go and mind your kids. What the fuck are you talking about? The real issue's not with them there. The real issue mind your youth. Them. So if me that around there supposed to can make sure them alright. Why do you go around the road go see my chatting girl is a cheer me gear? Because when look at what come and tell me I'm hungry, you still attack to you. You're a roach girl. And I see me. I said just get me pissed off. Oh. Mind your youth. Mind your youth. Mind your youth. The first impression of company over here come talk about she love man more than I youth them. I know 95, 100% of the time. You're totally wrong. You want to paint the narrative and wanna like me run with it and me just leave it. I saw me tell Toto. I tell her, all of my friends that commented sometimes I never care. Cause so sometimes when the paint narrative about me, I just left it. Cause sometimes I not come clear up nothing. When I paint one narrative say me love man over my pit, I just left it. Because I never love a boy over my belly pain when me sit down and in how much in out of labor and agony for. No time. A boy I gotta deal with me and me see my frowns for my pit now, me no want him around me. Oh. You could have can fuck good, they could have rich like biscuit and can buy me the whole of Mars. Me know where you run me. Go on, sir. Oh. My left boy for less than that. And that in my jurisdiction. Oh. Shanta is very outspoken. Shanta is a very outspoken child. What does say things to come her mouth. And if Akeem ever show him one expression like him have a problem, me not deal with him. I say, yo, call. Just hold the corner and me hold minds. No matter the honest truth, I 7,000 over here. No matter the honest truth, you hold your corner and me hold minds. Yeah, because if you accept the cow, you have to accept the calf. So if the little girl says something, yeah, and if the little girl says something, and you follow it up like say you want to get offensive, me just say go on about your business. If you love the cow, you have to accept the calf. Me don't know what I talk about. One thing me tell myself, I'ma believe it. I'ma believe it till me dead. Me rather mind you ungrateful to me not cure. Me have to all out for my people, pitting them at all means and causes. Me have to love them for whatever them be. And me have them finger think you can't chop, you have to dress that blood clot. So I don't know what I talk about. Like on a sick upstairs. I'll big pussy on it. Oh, Rosealee got put on man name. You know, so good girl, no? Rosealee got put on man name. I want she put on man name. I told them start to beat her pan. Think I should put her up in them. So good. I feel them never put on first. You were never there, so you can talk otherwise. You don't have no credibility. From the same night, I put on the 3 tattoo them. I showed the people them a long time say, a 3 tattoo I put on. They told them they put on my shoulder. It's just that Me show feed one of those show feed them one come know you and the rest of them are come. So I'ma set my chop on the fall right tonight. I feed them tattoo I put on first. Even when Akeem did them know, so I feed them tattoo I put on first. I Shanta name draw first. I Shanta name draw first. And Barbara name draw second. And Akeem name the last. Oh. You know if you believe me, I tell you. Me not so long ask you if you believe me. Me I tell you no. See me I come, me the only girl pan ya. When me talk out of my mouth, me no need no proof. Me no need me. Oh, me I talk and me I come with proof. Me not come with no proof. Cause for me know me not tell lie, me not even show no blood clot proof. Cause something you can come with that proof and I still lie, you fucking tell. Me I tell you exactly what happened. Shanta name first, Barbara name second, then Akeem name. I three them I put on one time Barney. So you are one next hypocrite wicked girl, you don't know shit. You just a laba count and look clout. And the reason why I'm sub my life, bitch, is because I can't take so much girl I dictate to me, so them not put shit. But the people them want type pay $1 $5. You can buy sugar, oil. What you need to do is tell a friend go mind him Pitney. Oh. No wait for me. That's why I'm gonna tell myself that I'm gonna tell myself say, that I'm gonna change my environment. Why you think me I change my environment? Me know him is that I guarantee when it comes to them. So if I save myself from going to prison or madden, me I change my environment so me can have my kids them for no at least me know say them okay with them there. Cause me stay so things all happen. I mean know him is not a ride or die for them, none at all. Cause if I wake up tomorrow morning and when I will have money for them TikTok and decide say I'm not got the bank, me not have the money. But just later on, I'm gonna night him want one room and one girl for give backers, he won't find the money to pay for the backers. Him is not a guarantee of nothing. So that's why me I keep myself put. I got change my environment and try to get a peace of mind. Come on, change my ways. Him is a guarantee of nothing. So I know exactly what me I do. Anyway, thank you so much. Me I move for keeping peace of mind. Because I know say without me, the kids are nothing. I'm see it already. Me not fi ask you no cause it's the same mentality to Jake's mama treat him, same mentality me have. And the two of them are Capricorn. The next man when me breed for, cause me want one next pitney, you know. This is the next man when me breed for. If you not have the criteria to be a father, me not go do it. Click the link on the page. You know, nobody just click the link on the page. Me not tell you if you go over there, go exploit when me a big pan TikTok, you know. Cause me know someone wanna stay, you know, just go over there. Me know so you know just go over there for just look pan where me a beg. To put it up on screen a card page. Or if you don't buy nothing, nobody go over there. Make it stay. For the problem I'm interested, I want to see better off in my life. Me I beg on some half of it. Whether one pot set, one towel, one spoon, one fork, one idea, one needle, one pen, one shoes hanger, 2 rack. Me I beg one TV and one sofa. Can't pay custom, so me not look. Somebody can buy me one sofa. Order it from foreign and ship it, come give me. And pay for it and ship it, come give me. I send me the money to buy one sofa down here. Somebody can buy me one sofa. I'm a good supporter of them. Anyway, me run can buy me sofa. Yeah. I realize me I save my peace of mind. Me I change my environment. Me want to become a better person. Me I try to change my way at 2025 now. Me can't live one day every day. And these people around me, them trigger me. Them trigger me. Them trigger me. So you know, Amazon wish list, me I look all of the things I'm gonna fight. To even 2 sheet, 2 towel. I'm a sign a step on me. Yeah. Click the link. Anyway, the link there, click it. No, I mean, someone wanna fall out. The people are nice, you know, the people are nice already. And them don't pay you like Matlock. I cannot blame people for my downfall. Anything what I do in my life and it affects me, no me are the problem. Because I always try, I just defend me, I always try to defend myself and get fucked. And sometimes they just my own business, I don't fuck with them, I take 2 words, I dank, and every donkey follows tongue down for me. Look on blood clot, don't you? I'm start the argument, you know. Him start the argument and so myself, I say back on me, I say, and the argument escalate till me go a party and confront people and everybody hate me. And I know they don't say, say, all of the argument is that Rose started, is Donna started by trolling. And she said what she have to say. Come on, like pick pan people, she defend herself. And it escalate. And I me get it. I mean everybody come class. My big and roll over, my big and can't turn over, my big and look a bit and big and thing. And me's not that girl. Me never tell a girl someone want to be that blood clad girl. But you know I got B-U-L-L-Y me. But anything when I believe that's why I can't program because when I believe that's something I not care otherwise. When I got B-U-L-L me. But now I got B-U-L-L-Y me. I like bully people. And I like them talk. This situation with my kids has nothing at all to do with Akeem. Nothing. Because I make on a report before me and that nigga even start talk. So leave him out of it. Don't even call him name. Him just around. Him just come around. Leave him out of it. Every single thing we don't want to try the boy in it. Sometimes they argue with me, I left him. Leave him out of it. Short God, boo boo. Short God, beg you one lion now. Short God, come beg you one lion. Come here, go and go. I'm buy my black suit. Short God, buy a piece of blood clot. Black leather suit. My black leather skirt. And my black booty. And my black jacket. When the part Angola splash. But buy my clothes already. I'm gonna one 3 sister hairstyle she. Bust down with makeup. We're gonna rip up your party. I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna dive in. I'm gonna drink from early. That means I'm not in and no shyness. Angle the whole event. Yeah. Nice up the event, no blood. Trot. Remember all road lead to Chagat party. Me not Christ. Me a mash it up. Yeah. My book feet fully book. We are calling no mother, no sister, no aunt, no nephew, no uncle. All road leads to Shotgun. When I the 31st, I remember which day, I'm going to look on my phone with coming on, telling like, out of my blood clot mouth. I don't want to like on people because sometimes some of them over there tell like on people shot. I'm going to look in my blood clot phone. I'm going to want to tell no blood clot lie. Come here, good ads. Outside with clarity. I don't really like that. Trot. We're outside with clarity. And some of the people them don't really like that. On the outside with clarity, some of the people them don't really like that. We have to go outside. We have to do the splash on the face. Yeah. Yes. But my nice black suit. My pleated black skirt. My jacket. And my booty. I'm going to be here exactly for that party day. Yeah, I'm going to be here exactly for that event day. I'm put on 1 week. When I put on 1 week now, I want straight black ear. I'm gonna go purple or blue. And angle it, yeah. No, man, event me have tomorrow. Me, I was go outside. Me that bump. You know? I was go outside.